Hello student, today I give a lecture light reflections and refractions. This is a part 2 video. Today I will talk about spherical mirror. Spherical mirror is generally two types. One is concave mirror, second is convex mirror. In concave mirror, reflecting surface is curve inward. जो बेटा कर्व इनवर्ड होता है ना, दिस वन इज रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस और आउटर सरफेस कर्व आउटवर्ड इज पॉलिश्ड सरफेस. जिससे बेटा रिफ्लेक्शंस होती है वो उसका पार्ट दे एक्ट एज ए कर्व इनवर्ड एंड आउटर सरफेस इज पॉलिश्ड. बट इन केस ऑफ कन्वेक्स मिरर इज ऑपोजिट. The curve's outward surface is reflecting or curve in surface is polished. For reflections take place at outer surface. In this case of concave mirror, reflections take place in curve inward. जो बेटा हमारा concave mirror होता है, when ray of light fall after reflections they get converged. Converge means बेटा इकट्ठी हो जाती है. That's why concave mirror are called converging mirror. But in case of convex mirror, when ray fall on the mirror after reflection they get diverged. So convex mirror is called diverging mirror. Clear? Concave mirror, reflecting surface is curved inward and polished surface is outward. But in case of convex mirror, polished surface is inward or reflecting surface is outward. You know what is the use of concave mirror and convex mirror in our daily life? Concave mirror used for searchlight and convex mirror are used for automobiles to see wider field of the view. Clear? Next, terms used in the study of a spherical mirror. First, I will talk about principal center of a curvature. What is center of curvature? The center of a spherical mirror is called center of curvature. Center of curvature is denoted by C. The center of a spherical mirror is called center of curvature. What is pole? What is pole? The center of a spherical mirror. Pole की definition बेटा है. The center of a spherical mirror is called pole. The center of a spherical mirror is called pole. Third one is what is principal focus or focal length. Focal length lies between center of curvature and pole. The focal length lies between center of curvature and pole. Next one is beta focal length is denoted by capital F. Fourth one is radius of curvature. The distance from the center of curvature to pole. The distance from the center of curvature to pole is called radius of curvature. Radius of curvature is denoted by capital R. One also remind the relations. The focal length of spherical mirror is half of the radius of curvature. You can see focal length should be half. यहाँ तक का बेटा डिस्टेंस कितना है? हाफ f. और this time is also f. It means focal length is half of the radius of curvature. Next beta principal axis. the the lines shown in the figure XY, the lines that pass through center of curvature, focus and pole is called principal axis. The line that pass through center of curvature, focus and pole is called principal axis. Clear? Next, rules for image formation by spherical mirror. First rule है बेटा, if ray of parallel beam fall on mirror, it pass through focus. जब भी बेटा कोई भी पैरेलल रे आएगी, when parallel beam of rays fall on the mirror, it pass through focus. Whether it is concave mirror, whether it is convex mirror. Similar, it's valid for both, whether it is concave, second convex. You can see when parallel ray of beam fall on the mirror, after reflection they pass through focus. Similar, when ray of light fall on a mirror, after reflection they reflected from the mirror but pass through focus. They ray diverge because convex mirror is diverging mirror, but in case of concave mirror it is converging mirror. Second, when ray of light passing through focus, it become parallel. Third, when ray of light pass through center, they come back to same path. They follow same path. Fourth, when ray of light fall on the pole, the angle between the normal and reflected ray, incident ray, this one is incident ray, or this one is normal ray. The angle between incident ray and normal ray is called angle of incident. The angle between normal and reflected ray is called angle of refractions. When ray of light fall on the pole, they obey laws of reflections. Clear? First rule, when ray of light become parallel, they pass through focus. Second, when ray of light pass through focus, it become parallel. Third, when ray of light pass through center, they follow same path. Fourth, when ray of light fall on a pole, they get reflected, they follows laws of reflections. Angle of incident equal to angle of reflections. Let's do image formation by concave mirror. First case, when object is placed at infinity. आपने मिरर से ऑब्जेक्ट कहां पर रखा बेटा? इन्फिनिटी. इन्फिनिटी इज द दैट पॉइंट. यू कैन नोट नाउ एग्जैक्ट डिस्टेंस. when ray of light, parallel beam of light fall on the mirror, its rule number first के according बेटा, when ray of light become parallel, it pass through focus. It pass through focus. Similar, when another ray of light fall on the mirror, after reflections, they pass through focus. At this point, point size image is formed. At this point size image is formed. If image formed in the front of the mirror is called real and inverted image. Concave mirror always form concave, real and inverted, but it also form virtual image, but depend upon the position of the object. Concave mirror always form real and inverted image and also form virtual image, depend upon the position of the object. अगर बेटा रिफ्लेक्टिंग मिरर के सामने फ्रंट में इमेज बने, दैट इज द रियल इमेज. इफ इमेज इज फॉर्म बिहाइंड द मिरर और दिस साइड इमेज इज virtual image you cannot obtain on the screen, or real image you can obtain in the screen. Clear? Other parts we will discuss on the later video.